Weird.
We fall down, we get up, we try to hold our head up when life pulls us apart. And we fight and we bleed, but all we ever need is something to hope for. Something to hope for.
I said, where are my fingers in this puppet?
Are you ready, guys?
Nope. Yeah, that was my thumb.
Okay, listen. We're going to the world's oldest McDonald's that is still standing. This is the third McDonald's restaurant that was ever built. And it is still standing, and it's still in business since 1953. This is the world's oldest surviving McDonald's restaurant, which still retains a classic 1950s feel, as well as the fast food chain's original mascot, Speedy. I saw the movie The Founder with Michael Keaton, and it was outstanding. Built in 1953, I was right, the restaurant in Downey, California, still has its original red striped interior, giving it an appearance quite different from all of the other 30,000 McDonald's restaurants.
What about the museum?
They have a museum, I hear. So we're gonna check it out. They still serve the original recipe hamburgers, cheeseburgers, fries, and milkshakes.
What does that mean?
Boom, it means it's gonna taste different than what we taste today at all of the other McDonald's.
Why?
Because this is the oldest standing McDonald's. They keep it like all 1950s and retro. The flavor of the burger is going to be different. That's the cool thing.
No,
What's so
the cool
funny?
thing is the
You're asking me what the
milkshake.
difference is, right? I think stuff was fresher in the 50s.
Why? Yeah, they even delivered milk to your house from the milk.
Yeah, that's right. We're gonna start doing that. We're gonna get an original, authentic 1950s milkman to deliver milk every day to our doorstep.
The important thing is the milkshake. Nope,
The important thing is the
the food.
milkshakes?
Yes. The important thing is the food.
Are you so excited, Maddie?
No.
She's the one who had this idea. She wanted to go check out the world's oldest standing McDonald's.
No.
It's on my bucket list.
It's on her bucket list.
It's on your bucket list?
Checks and cash.
What?
We're almost there.
There it is, I see it. I see it. Look at that, there it is.
I don't see nothing.
Right down here on the left. Wow. Look at that. See it?
Oh yeah.
The little Speedy guy on top.
Oh, I've seen another hamburger place
Oh
like that.
my
Oh,
gosh.
I remember that.
You do?
Yes.
Oh, that's right, you're old. Wow. I'm so
How do you-
excited. Look at that.
How do you zoom
Oh,
in?
and there's a Dollar Tree.
Hey, what's the prices? Do they have the same 50 prices? No. Welcome to the world's oldest operating McDonald's. See it? The sign over there?
There it is.
Mom, my foot's asleep.
Oh, wake it up.
There it is. They
It's
kept the
so
original
old.
sign.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
But where's the museum?
Cool.
Where's the museum?
I guess there's one in there. I don't know. We're gonna go check it out and see, okay? I've never been here before. This is Daddy's first time. Wow.
Nope, 2 for $4.44. They're expensive.
Yep, they don't have the 50 prices, that's for sure.
Cool. Look at the billboard up there.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to
Visit our
tell you.
museum and gift shop.
Don't let history pass you by. There's the little Speedy guy. Welcome to the world's oldest operating McDonald's. Visit our museum and gift shop. Yeah! Woo! Dude, I am so excited to be here.
I think I got this.
Yeah?
and this.
Oh, you look so cute. You guys look so cute. Look at you, cute kids. You're cute too. I like your jeans.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Hi, cutie.
Hi.
Where is the museum?
All right, here we go. Ready? Look, it says, this is the oldest McDonald's restaurant in the world. When it originally opened in 1953, a hamburger cost 15 cents and an order of French fries was only 12 cents. The towering neon chef Speedy was McDonald's first mascot, and he symbolized fast, efficient service. I am not, if you want to read the rest of it, you can pause at any moment. Hey.
There's a museum.
Yeah, there is somewhere. We're gonna find it. Look. This is great. Oh, look, you guys. The original fried apple pie. Look at that. Fried apple pies. I miss those. They bake them now. These are the deep fried ones. When I was a kid, I used to eat deep fried apple pies at McDonald's. In 2004, I think it is. 2004, 1992, I don't remember. A long time ago. They started baking them, and they don't fry them anymore. But this is the only location that actually deep fries their apple pies still. Dude, we're at a really old McDonald's. This place has been here since 1953. You can't even comprehend that. Do you know, you don't even know, you can't even comprehend the word comprehend.
Comprehend?
Yeah. Look at me. There's the McDonald's statue right there. You want to go tell him hi?
It's not even alive. It's a statue.
You want to see his face? You gotta go around and see his face. She's in the front now. Oh, there she is.
He looks so creepy on his face.
What'd you say? Oh, he does?
Look it.
Whoa, look.
Cars that
What do you think about that guy?
I don't know.
Fun or not so fun?
Weird. Creepy.
There's Ray Kroc. Oh, look. Mom just said Jack in the Crack. Yeah. Oh, come on. Let's go help Mom. Come on. Thank you. Thanks.
I only got two, or unless Mom got one.
Mom probably did.
Like a pancake.
Wow, those are legit Happy Meals. Nothing's different, huh? It tastes the same? Look, there it is. All right, let's see how it tastes.
They don't have.
Tastes like a McDonald's cheeseburger. How's yours? Nuggets are good? How's that taste?
I like the cheese.
Do you like the cheese? Look at Jackson.
What are you doing?
This is chocolate shake gluten-free.
Oh boy.
Poor Jeff and has to eat a cheeseburger without the bread. They don't care.
I'm excited about the apple pie. Because I haven't had one of those since I was a kid.
You know what everyone loves?
Huh?
McDonald's fries.
Oh, yeah. What?
Fries are so good.
Did you just say what?
I don't like their fries.
You don't like McDonald's fries?
I'm not a really big fry person.
Yeah, we both.
Really?
Fries are the best.
Mine too.
Extra pickles, just like I like. Robble, robble. Look at the original bag, original hat. Wow, it's really cool. Oh, I totally remember those boxes they used to come in, the fish fillet box. Oh, that's my childhood right there. I totally remember the McDLT. What's the deal with those cups?
Look at that guy. Move your head this way.
Huh?
Move your head this way. When you move your head this way, he's going this way. When you move your head that way, he's going that way.
Really? It's the way they made the cup? That's really cool.
And Dad.
That's so good, dude.
And Dad. Just put it. Just open it.
Oh, did you get a Happy Meal toy there, Mom? Are you happy? Look at you. Pretty infatuated with that cute little cup there. Cute little, I don't know if you can you tell when you see this on camera? Maybe. See how it kind of moves? Pretty cool.
But look, Dad, it even feels good.
I know.
Hamburger, fries, and a Coke.
Well, that's what we did. That's what I did.
You didn't.
I did. I got a cheeseburger, fries, and a Dr. Pepper. I got a Dr. Pepper.
That's not Coke.
Should have had a Coca-Cola.
Should have had a Coke.
Like Ray Kroc's first visit to this place. Come on out there, little fella. Come on out.
What is that?
This is
Apple pie?
an original deep fried apple pie.
Hot apple pie.
And
Have a bite.
the cool thing is this is, wait, oh, you stole it from me. How does it taste? Huh? Good? Wow, that's an original deep fried apple pie from 1953.
That's before you were born.
That's really old. Does it still taste good after all these years? Oh, wow. That clown's name is Ronald. Ronald McDonald.
Ronald McDonald, that's mine.
Whoa.
Fast guy.
The fast guy? His name's Speedy.
Why
listen.
does he have a hamburger head?
So we knew we had to do something to speed things up.
Dad,
McDonald's closed. Their successful drive-in.
that's what the
Efficiency of it.
clown looked like when he was a kid.
Yep, Room
He
to
was
Grow. That
cute.
sculpture is called.
Down to
That's the Ronald McDonald as a kid, huh?
Yeah, and yeah, it was cute.
I remember these little mugs. Hi, Speedy! Hey, look, I remember these pails, these cups.
Kids used to get that for a Happy Meal toy.
Yeah, I guess. Oh, yeah. Wow, this is especially very exciting when you watch The Founder. Michael Keaton plays Ray Kroc. You should watch the movie. It's a very good movie. And then watch it and then come here, and it's kind of cool because you see everything, you know a little bit more. You know a little more history and all that. Like here's the multi-mixer shake that makes like a bunch of shakes at once. Look, that's so cool.
I thought this place would be bigger.
Take a picture for the Instagram.
You guys are so
me
cute.
Look here. Sky. Look at Mama. Jackson, do a nice face, please.
Well, we are leaving this awesome, cool place, this McDonald's, the oldest McDonald's still in business, still operating. As the sign, this big billboard says, this was fun. If you guys get a chance, you should definitely experience this. The only thing that I noticed that was different was the apple pie is deep fried like the old days. that a lot of you probably don't even remember. Maybe some of you do. But that's about the only difference. The food, other than that, tasted about the same, I'd say.
Me too.
Yeah, did you like it?
The museum was